Greetings, beloved friends. I'm Reverend Kyra Baehr, and I wish to share with you what my heart is up to, how we can experience and express more of the flowering of our own hearts. For this is a time of the Lenten season, the Easter preparation. We know this is such an important time because in Unity, what we teach is that this is when we release the error thinking, that the things in our lives that have held us constricted and fearful and afraid to move forward and be fully engaged in our lives. I've spent the last couple days with my dad, Don Hines, and my stepmom, Wanda McLemore Hines, and my sister, Donna Hines Quarles, and brother-in-law, Glenn Quarles, on the phone with my brother, Mark Hines. We had this incredible moments of family as we shared Dad and Wanda's 42nd anniversary yesterday. And tomorrow is my dad's 86th birthday. And as we shared these moments of just love and sharing and acknowledging and honoring each other and just being in each other's presence in everyday life, right? I got reminded of how important every single moment is. As I returned home, I got news of a beloved friend in Arizona who passed away. And I know every moment is the moment to be fully present, to allow my heart to flower. And I get to look at what is it that allows me to come to that place. And this picture of Jesus behind me holding this lamb, loving it so completely, is a reminder that every single one of us is valuable, important. We can lift each other into these higher realms of awareness by being one with our own Christ essence, flowering our heart each moment and being fully engaged and present in our lives, in our ability to relate and be with each other. You know, we go through life very quick to have this experience, that experience, move on to the next thing, and often are not present to our own lives. And I think as Jesus demonstrated, as all the masters demonstrate, the be here now, be fully present, be fully present. When we presence another being, and we see the truth of their own Christ spirit, when we live from that within ourselves, love ourselves fully so we can love each other fully, we transform the world, person by person, moment by moment. We transform internally by living from that open heart. I'm not saying it's easy, but I will say it's the most powerful, beautiful experience that the world has to offer. It's the world that transcends our daily lives, and yet it embraces them. We live fully in this now moment. In this now moment is where I can flower my heart and open it to you. And the more I give my heart and I open it to you, I presence you, I presence myself, and all of us begin to blossom from open-hearted love. That's the world we're choosing now.